Hello and welcome. My name is Marius and I am very happy that you decided to join me. We're going to talk about Windows 10 and I want to make sure that you know enough about Windows 10 to pass the MTA exam. A few years ago, this MTA exam was all about Windows 7. Now we have Windows 10 and I want to update my course and provide as many things as possible for you to get ready for the exam and of course learn a little more about Windows 10 because it is a really cool operating system. What can you expect? We'll start from scratch, we'll install Windows 10, we'll go through some basics and cover a lot of interesting features of Windows 10. I recommend you start with this website, Microsoft.com. You can find Windows 10 and read a little more about things that are really cool when it comes to Windows 10. And of course, we'll cover a lot of these things that you can see on your screen. We'll talk about some basics when it comes to connecting your Windows 10 to a corporate network. We'll talk about interesting features and options that you can enable. One of them is Cortana. Yes, instead of typing a command, instead of asking your Windows 10 to do something using your mouse, you can just ask Cortana to help and assist with your tasks and operations that you want to perform. I hope that you're ready. Let's get started.